Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike Bowie. Got another video today. We're doing actually a home workout, and of course it's going to be a 7-minute workout. It's going to focus on your core. Okay, so for me the core is pretty much everything from underneath my chest going all the way down, all the way to your knees. You know, that's the core. Okay, it's kind of like the tree. You know, people think the trunk of the tree is the core. That's only half of it. It's the roots underneath. You know, it's the roots and that trunk that consists of the core. So we're gonna make a workout that's 7 minutes long, like last time. 3 simple workouts. First one's gonna be a double pump squat. Second one is going to actually be a lying hip thrusters, and the third is going to be side to side ankle touches. So this is gonna work your abs and also your lower body as well too, which is the core. So this way it can help you get, jump started on building a foundation. So this way you can burn more fat and have a better body in 2019. So let's demonstrate the exercises real quick. So basically a double pump squat is kind of like I set your foot apart, shoulder width, and what you're doing is you're basically squatting down. Once you go down, you go up, down again, up. So in live action, it will look like this. And that's 1. That's 2. Okay? That's a double pump squat. The next one is the lying hip thrust. So I have this mat right here that's has some imprints on it. So I'm lying down, keep my hands near my glutes, and all I'm doing is I'm thrusting myself up, holding at the top. This is going to focus on squeezing your glutes, also your hamstrings as well too, and your hip thruster. So bring it back down. That's 1, 2, okay? And then of course, the third exercise is side to side ankle touches. Being in the same position now, you're going to basically focus on moving your hands, touching your ankles, touching your ankles. So that focuses on your entire core. Now, does it direct like crunches? No, but the purpose is to do general compound movements to get this going for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to use my timer watch right here, which I have on my cell phone. And we're gonna play. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Double pump squats. So far so good. Get a burn. Feel it already. You want to hold it at the top and bring it back down. Hold it at the top, bring it back down. That extra squeeze will really get you an effective workout. What's up? I feel it really in my glutes right now. So now we're going to do ankle touches. So you can tell right now, you got full energy. I'm in that mode where I can crunch up and get a real good squeeze. So this way I can get my abs working. Hopefully I can continue it through for the whole 7 minutes. But I'm getting back into shape. So double pump squats. Now that extra double pump, some people might be thinking it's redundant, but it's actually not. Puts in a little more contraction to the effort. So this way, you're getting a real good squeeze. hip thrust, squeeze at the top. This is really going to help build the backside of your thighs, which in turn will have you a better aesthetic physique, but at the same time as well, focus on really your entire core. So, side to side toe touches. You can even hold it for a count if you want to touch and hold. Man, it feels good. But I can feel my core burning. Whew. You can even thrust it out if you like. Woo! Woo! But it's an all fun though. Hip thrust. Hold it for a count, bring it down. Hold it for a count, bring it down. Now remember, you don't want to keep it down too long. You want to thrust up as fast as possible, hold it, and then bring it down. So, thrust as fast, hold, bring it down. 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 And then, side to side, ankle touches. I think from the last time I checked the clock, we're halfway there. So, woo, I'm happy about that. Even though it's only 7 minutes. Squats. My legs are filling up with blood. That's good. I'm getting a pump going. So, at least you know from me, I work out my legs too, just not my upper body alone. So, now, you could change it up and put your legs tight, like I'm doing. You're gonna feel it really in your hamstrings and your glutes, but also in your lower back, which is also your core as well too. So, feel a burn. Feel this tomorrow. Heck, I'm feeling it right now. This is nuts. This is a good tempo too. I can tell with my heart rate that it's elevated, but it's not too insane, which means that I'm in an aerobic mode. I just didn't do a double pump right there. Lost in conversation. But basically, I'm in a target heart rate zone that's burning fat for fuel. I'm sweating profusely, not profusely, I'm sweating lightly. Heart rate's going, I can still converse, and I'm finishing up. So, thrusters, squeeze. But most importantly, if you're at a pace where you can carry conversation as I am, and you're sweating a little bit lightly, you're actually working out in a target fat burning zone. So that's a good thing. Woo! Alright. That was fun. So, as you can tell, that was the end of the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, this is a good pace. Now remember, these type of workouts is 30-second intervals, but most importantly, you can do this either by itself at home, or if you want to take it to the gym after a standard resistance training or workout, you can do this at the end to burn out as well too. Like I said, you can tell the tempo and pace that I was going at. You're actually breathing, you can converse, at the same time you're sweating just a little bit, which means that you're in a target heart rate for optimal fat burning. So hope you guys enjoyed that workout. Please like the video, please share the video, comment it, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more workouts. You can also message me for any other type of workouts or diets as well too, okay? Thank you so much for watching the video. You guys have a great one.